Hey, Antoinette here from Creations PS91. In today's video, I want to show you how to take a 9 patch and turn it into a diamond. Let me show it to you. And then I want to show you what I made with them. So let's get started. So let me show you the block that I am working on. Okay, so you want to take your background, and so 4 5-inch squares for your background, and then you want to take 5 5-inch squares, say that fast, and I use charm packs, and you want to take 2 10-inch squares and you want to cut them on the diagonal, and you can see I've done that already. And let me just show you this part right here. I just cut them. I just really cut it on the diagonal, okay, like that. And you want to do 2 10-inch squares like that, okay. And then you want to set that aside. You want to take your charm packs, 5-inch squares, and you want to make a 9 patch block, okay. And so let me show you what that looks like. Here we are right here. So this is a 9 patch, 3, 6, 9 for my beginners out there. A 9 patch block, and I squared mine up to 12.5. Okay. And so once you make that, you want to take this piece here and you want to fold it, and you want to take one of your rectangle pieces and you want to fold that too. And what you're trying to do is you're trying to get your center point here. So you want to get the center point here, and you also want to get it right here on your block, okay. And so now you want to take your diagonal piece and you want to line it up to your block, okay. And then you just want to pin it, and you want to do this side and this side, okay. You take it to your sewing machine and sew it, and then after you sew it, you want to cut off your dog ears right here. These are called dog ears for my beginners out there. So these little clip things is, you want to just clip them off, edge them up with your block, and you want to do both sides that way, okay. And let me show you what that looks like. And so right here, I've already done one. As you can see, I've done this side here, the 2 sides. And so now you want to do the other 2 sides, okay? And there you go. And then once you do your both sides, you want to come in and you want to cut it off again. You can see it's just a little bit, taking it from this angle right here, okay? Right there, and then right there, and you do your both sides like that. And then after you do that, you are all done. Let me show you what that looks like. Isn't that gorgeous? I love it. That is, and this is the entire block. Now mine, I squared mine up to 18.5. I mean 18 by 18 square. Right, and you can, you can square yours up, to be, I think I did 18.5 or 18 by 18, which I think so. But what do you think? Let me know what you think of it. I think this is the easiest way to make your square look like a triangle, because there is several ways you can do this, and I was trying to figure out the easiest way. So let me show you what I've made with this block. So now let me show you what I've made. I have you back here so you can see, what I made. So I made a quilt top, and I'm going to open it up, but it's kind of big. So I don't know if I'm going to open up all the way, but here is the quilt top of the blanket. and it's pretty big. And so I'm gonna cover myself here. And so it is really big, and as you can see, it's really tall, really big, really long. Put that there. Now, fix my shirt. Now, let me show you what else I made. I made this tote bag, and it's reversible. So this is the inside of it right here. I don't know if you can see it. You know what? Let me just reverse it so you can see it. And it's a reversible tote bag. And here we go. And these are the straps, using the 5-inch squares. And look, it's reversible. And so if you are interested in this bag, just want to FYI, it is available for purchase in my shop if you would like to purchase it. So that's what I made, you guys. Leave me something down in the comments and let me know, will you make it, and are you gonna make a bag? And did you like the tutorial? I hope it was so easy for you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.